Hi everyone, this is Cindy of Create the Heart, and I'm back with some happy mail from Angela Velasquez. So we had done a Halloween swap. So if I remember, I will go ahead and link to my video where I showed you the things that I had sent her. So she wasn't feeling well, so this came a little bit late, but I'm very excited to show you what she sent me. So I have not unpacked everything. I just unpacked a few things because I just have really honestly a lot going on this week. I was at a meeting, and so I was gone from work for a couple of days, but this is the card that she sent. It's very cute. It says, "Open if you dare." Isn't that cute? It's a really adorable card. And so she wrote a little note in there, which I will, she gave me a little heads up about one of the things that were in there. So here are a couple of embossed cards she sent, which are very cute. She made an album, which is really, really adorable. So this is a bound album. It's chipboard. So this is what it looks like. Very cute. So I'll show you really quickly. Really, really fun. Very sweet and embellished. Isn't that fun? So I think this kind of flip out. Not sure how it works exactly because I feel like it kind of swings out. And very, very cute. And oh, super cool. So this spells out spooky. Very, very cute. Okay, so this is one of the things that she sent. Very, very cute. This is very unique right here. Okay, so that is the album that she sent. And then she sent a super cute Halloween bag. Actually, I like this bag. Isn't that cute? Sent this really cute Halloween bag. Stick it on the side here. And then in here, this was a warning that she sent me. I'll move it around so I don't mess it up. Cool box, and then inside it's glitter, and it has some spiders, right? Really cool. So there's that. And then everything's packaged very cute. So then in here, so here, it says chocolate chip cookie. Very cute. Cool. And then, oh, look at, she made me some cards. Aren't these fun? She made me some cards. How cute. Spooky. And then this is like a velvet paper, maybe? Very cute. So fun getting things in the mail. So there's that. And then so then in here, it's like a plastic box. And then in here, we've got, let's see, oh, this is very cool. I'm trying to find room over here. This is a banner. Oh, I love that. That's super cool. I have no patience to do banners. And she used, looks like graphic 45. Oh, I love that. It says Halloween. Can't see all the magnificentness because my table is too small. But really cool. Like I said, I have no patience at all to do a banner. Like, I've rarely done a banner because I just don't have the patience to do one. So cute. I love that. The banners. Probably my favorite. Just really cute. A lot of time goes into making that banner, I know for sure. And then, let's see what else we've got in here. Got some other goodies. So in here, some little goodies. So there's a stamp set and then some tags. Cool. And then in here are some book pages. Right, so you can use these to cut up, and there's some like old pictures and stuff in here. And then a couple more things in here. And then in here, oh, some real fun goodies in here. So she sent some fun stickers. And in here, it's like a little mini scrapbook kit. That's really fun. And then there are some brads and some ribbon and cool spiders. And then in here is a little, like a little paper bag. Cute. That's a really cute idea. That's like on a toothpick. And then some tea. Very cute. And then some straws. Fun. Ooh, some enamel dots. That's super cool. Some fun stickers. Love that ribbon. And some cut aparts and some sparkly bats. Oh, I love that. Very cute. Very, very cool. And I love the little bag. I can really see, like, you could like, the bag is small enough that you could put in, like, a daily journal or something and use that. I love that. Very cool. And then, let's make sure I got all the goodies. There's some washi in here. I think that's everything because it's hard to see. So some orange and white washi and some pumpkin and some black and white. And then there's a bag which I'm going to open. I love this bag. And then in here, cool. I did not find any of this confetti, so I'm so happy to get this. Even if I have to use it for next year, I'm excited to have it because I wish I did have, confetti. I wasn't able to find any. So it's the skulls and spiders and the pumpkins and boos. So you mix this with like sequins and everything for your own sequin mix, and it's super, super cute. So that is my happy mail from Angela. I'm going to link her channel so that you can go ahead and visit her. Thanks so much, Angela. It was really fun swapping with you, and I'll be back really soon with more projects.